In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds from your PayPal account to a Paytm bank account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com and just log into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and before you can actually withdraw the funds, what you're going to want to do first is link your Paytm bank account. So to do this, what you want to do is come up to these options at the top, and you want to click onto the one that says pay and get paid. Now, if you look underneath the wallet section, you're going to see bank accounts and cards. So what you want to do is click onto this. And from here, what you want to do is click onto link a new bank account. Now, what you can do is go ahead and enter your details down here for your Paytm bank account and click the agree and link button underneath. What's going to happen is PayPal is going to send a small deposit to your account. So what you'll need to do is log into your Paytm account. And if you actually check that deposit from PayPal, there will be a 4-digit code next to the deposit. What you will need to do is come back to PayPal with that 4-digit code, and it will ask you to enter it into here to verify and link your bank account. So once you've gone ahead and linked and verified your bank account with Paytm, you can then come back to PayPal, and underneath your balance, you will see a button to withdraw funds. Now, mine currently doesn't show because I haven't got any funds in my account, but if you do have funds available, you're going to see a button to withdraw funds. Once you click onto that button, you'll be able to then withdraw funds to any linked bank accounts or debit cards to your PayPal account. So of course, what you would do is go ahead and select your Paytm bank account, choose how much you want to transfer, and it will give you details if there's any sort of fees or anything like that, and also it will give you a timescale for how long you can expect to wait to receive the funds into your Paytm bank account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.